Hello, welcome to Jonas Aviation, where we do aviation unboxings, trip reports, and more. Today we're looking at the Herpa Lufthansa Fanhansa 737-300. This is the 1-400 version of the aircraft. Here we have the front, and we have our sides of this box. Got a picture of the aircraft, and not only the sides, but the front and the back. Here we have some specifications about this aircraft, not only in real life, but about this model, so pause the video if you want to read this. But without further ado, let's open it up. Alright, so let's open up this model. So here we have the side, where it is not taped. And if we open this box, and try not to damage it, let's get some first impressions going. Alright, so here's our model. You can see, looks very nice. So let's open it up some more. Take off the plastic box. Then we have a protective plastic layer on it. Take that off. It appears this has come with a stand also on the bottom side. Didn't mean to drop that. If we open up the bottom part here, I'll have to look into this. Alright, let's get all the trash out of the frame. So here we have our model. Let's go into the rundown. Okay, so after recording, I found out that this is the stand. I thought I was missing a piece. I didn't see the top part here, but we did get the whole stand, and it says Herpa on it, engraved into it. But now, let's go into first impressions and the rundown. So up here we have the Lufthansa logo, followed by the Star Alliance logo, in the first door. Here we have the Fanhansa logo, as well as the Lufthansa logo again, this time in print. Back here, we have the first emergency exit slide, followed by flaps and slats. Up here we have one of our engines, and back here we have all the names featured on the actual aircraft. Down here, we have a registration, which is Delta, Alpha, Bravo, Echo, Kilo. Back here we have the final door, and our tail with the old Lufthansa logo. All of these details are also printed on the other side. So my final thoughts. I really like this model, and I think it represents the actual aircraft very well. One thing I think they can improve upon is not on the model, but actually their box. I like the use of actual photos, but I wish for some more clip art photos of the actual aircraft, kind of like Gemini jets or other manufacturers of die-cast aircraft. So that's the review of this model. Comment down below what you like about this model and what I may have missed. But that's my video. Thank you for watching.